Welcome to episode 3 of my cornrow hair growth challenge. This is the third installment in my cornrow hair growth series, and what I am doing these days or anytime that I'm doing the styling process is I pick out the hairstyles, download them on my phone, then I show them to my friend that helps me to install the braids, and she picks out the one that she can do because she is not a licensed hairdresser, she is not an expert, she's not a professional. It's just something she knows how to do. So when we decide on a style, that's what we do for that month. The style that I want to get done is going to be put on the screen. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just a cornrow hairstyle basically. Again, we are doing prep work for the braids. Last night, did my regular hot oil treatment, came out this morning, washed the hair with my head and shoulder shampoo. I actually finished the shampoo during that particular wash and I had to go and get some more. Yeah, I bought a new bottle, the anti-dandruff hair shampoo from Head and Shoulders. Also conditioned my hair. What I am doing now is I am moisturizing my hair, getting it ready for the braids. Whenever I am doing anything to my hair, I always work in sections. The moisturizing process is with leave-in conditioner, my Ghanaian shea butter, oil. Then I go in with my brush to detangle my hair to ensure there are no tangles or snags. Then I put my hair in the sections and get ready for my friend. This is me attempting to do a length check to show you guys that my hair has finally grown back down to my hip bone. But I didn't know that both me and my hip they were not in frame. But I think you can get an idea of where it's at. It's definitely at my hip bone right now. And I am very grateful that I have been able to redress the setback basically. My friend is in the building and the styling process has started. So I'm going to shut up now and allow you to enjoy the styling process. We have landed. The braids are done, and per usual, I am applying edge control to my edges, as you already know, laying them down so that when I put my scarf on it, it can stay neat and tidy for longer. And yeah, once I am done laying the edges, I am going to go in with my oils. Now, the oils I am using this time around is my travel size argan oil and vitamin E capsule. Something I always do when I am done installing any type of braids, at least the ones with my natural hair, is that I dust the ends before I go in and moisturize them, seal it, make sure that everything is nice and conditioned. This is the back view. And that's basically it for this video. If you liked, if you're interested in seeing more content, consider subscribing, share, and comment. Love you and choose.